Enjoy the soul the CP way. We're making a berry waffle on the vegan soul train. Let's get into it. First things first, we're adding some strawberries.
And raspberries.
That's my big sister Tiayra, by the way. Say hey, girl.
Hey!
She's going to be helping with the voiceover. Now, as you see, she's adding in a slice of lemon, tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of syrup. So Tiayra here has mono CP, and sometimes I can hinder her cooking.
But I don't let that stop me.
Period. And now she's adding in some vanilla. We love vanilla over here, y'all.
Now I'm going to let that simmer on low to make the berry sauce.
It's time to make our vegan buttermilk, taking a cup of soy milk and a capful of apple cider vinegar. You can swap this with vinegar if you want to, or lemon. It really doesn't matter. Just throw something up in there. And tossing that vanilla, baby. So we're going to let that sit to the side. Now, while that's waiting, Tiayra, tell me, how has mono CP affected your life?
It hasn't.
Why?
I do me.
Okay, how can you get other people who have mono CP to do them?
Work hard, have faith, focus on yourself.
I know that's right. Now we're adding in the Bisquick.
The full recipe is on the website.
Click the link in the bio to stay up to date on what's going on at Queso Plant Based. Let's move on. She's adding in a fiber supplement, but you could swap this out with flaxseed.
And now I'm going to put a dash of cinnamon. I'm mixing things for people to eat. I'm mixing people true.
I know y'all ain't thought I forgot about them berries now, okay? You gotta mash them up at this step. Unless you like thick, chunky, soggy strawberries, that's on you. As we proceed, Tiayra is adding in the maple syrup into the milk mixture and then pouring that into the dry batter. And once again, she mixing, whatever them words are, she mixing. We're here for the best part. We're making waffles. All right, that was my donkey impression. TT, how does yours sound?
In the morning, I'm making waffles.
Okay, maybe yours was slightly better. Slightly better.
I love waffles. They're delicious and it's easy for me to make.
I love when she make waffles too, because I like to eat, y'all. Ooh, it looks good.
Steamy.
I like it. It looks nice. How do you feel about the waffle?
Loving it.
Last steps, add your berry syrup, fresh strawberries, and powdered sugar. Tiayra, thanks for joining the show.
Thank you for having me.
Stay tuned for bloopers.
I'm Tiayra. I have minor cerebral palsy.
I know.
What? I can't say the word.
She made blueberry. No, not blueberry. What is this? Berry waffle.
Kay's older sister.
That is not what I told you to say.
I'm adding